Hi everybody, this is Sophie. Welcome to my travel vlog, Simple Living with Sophie. Here you can follow me and my husband as we travel this beautiful nature of America on a budget. Right now we are doing some free camping up in San Bernardino National Forest, just north of Big Bear Lake in the San Bernardino Mountains of California. This morning I'm going to show you how to make some cheap and tasty buckwheat pancakes. And for this you need a mixture of 1 cup of white flour, 1 cup of buckwheat flour, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, 2 tablespoons of sugar, and a little pinch of salt. And then you mix it with 2 eggs. And you can either use regular milk or buttermilk, or you can use almond milk. If you use regular milk or buttermilk, you normally have 2 cups of milk, but when you use almond milk, you can use a little less because it's a little bit more viscous. And then of course you need some butter to grease the pan. So now I have mixed all the ingredients up, and you can see how it's a little thick here. I ended up using 1.5 cup of almond milk. So now it's just putting it all on the pan. Not all at once, but a bit at the time. And then once you have the fire going, you just put a little butter on the pan. So the pancake won't stick. And then you just pour the amount you want on the pan. Let me just show you. This is how it looks like, and then it's just gonna get hard on the edges, and then it will be ready to be flipped. And let me just show you how it looks once it's ready to be flipped. So here you can see how it kind of lets go when you put your palette under it, and then you just flip it, and then you put it back on the fire. And this was the last pancake. So out of this portion we have 3 thick American buckwheat pancakes. So now it's just maple syrup on top of this pile. And then having a taste. Let's see how it is. Not bad. You should give it a try. See you. And please remember to subscribe if you want to follow me and my husband on our travels in this beautiful country. På gensyn, as we say in Danish.